Okay, good morning to one and all. In the today's class, I am going to discuss about SCR. SCR abbreviation stands for Silicon Controlled Rectifier. SCR can be used as a switching device. Okay, used in power control applications. Switching device in the sense, as you all know that switching device consists of two states. One is off state, other one is on state. Off state in the sense it is an open circuit. On state means short circuit. If you have short circuit, then you have the low resistance. If you have open circuit, obviously you know that there will be an high resistance across this terminal, right? So SCR can be used as a switch used in power control applications. It is a 4-layer device, PNPN, and 3-terminal device, anode, cathode and gate. Your schematic symbol looks like this: arrowhead, and this is your gate terminal, anode and cathode. Okay, so here in order to forward bias this SCR, what you have to do, you have to connect positive terminal of the battery to anode and negative terminal of the battery to cathode. Then you can forward bias this PNPN junction, similar to a PN junction diode. Anode is positive with respect to cathode, forward bias. In order to reverse bias this device, anode should be connected to an negative terminal and cathode should be connected to an positive terminal, so that you can reverse bias this PNPN device. Okay, so even after forward biasing, this is your SCR. In this case, plus is connected to a plus and minus is connected to a minus. Even after forward bias, the current won't flow through the device. Why? In the sense, the gate required a sufficient magnitude of gate pulse. Okay, then only the current will be flow from anode to cathode. Is it clear? However, forward bias is not sufficient to turn on the SCR. Gate requires certain magnitude of pulse to turn on the SCR. Okay, this is very important concept. So that's what I written here. A pulse of sufficient magnitude of the gate must also apply to the gate to make the device on. Device in the sense here in this case SCR. So what does your SCR consists of? See, the operation of the SCR can be analyzed by using a 2-transistor model. Okay, so this is your PNPN device SCR split into 3-layered device, that is 3-layered transistor. One is PNP and NPN. Okay, so here the first you have PNP transistor, write down PNP transistor. Then you have NPN transistor, write down NPN transistor. Okay, so here you have the gate and here you have the gate. This model we call it as 2-transistor model. The 2-transistor model is used to analyze the operation of SCR. Okay, this is a switching operation of an SCR 2-transistor model. Okay, so in the first case what will happen? In the case 1, what I will do, I will apply Vg is equal to 0 volt. If Vg is equal to 0 volt, Vb is 0 volt, because Vb is equal to Vg. Vb is 0 volt. If Vb is 0 volt, then Ib2 is 0. Obviously, base to emitter voltage is 0 means base current is 0. Therefore, what about the collector current? 0. Only a leakage current will be flow through the transistor due to minority charge carriers. Okay, then IC2 is equal to IB1. Therefore, IB1 is 0. Therefore, Q1 is also will be in the off state. Here Q2 is in off state due to IB2 is equal to 0. Here Q1 is in off state due to IB1 is equal to 0. Therefore, when Vg is equal to 0, during that case, okay, so your two transistor model means your device is not in working condition. Therefore, SCR acts as open circuit. Okay, open circuit. For the open circuit, En, E1, E2, E2. For the open circuit, it has high resistance. Right? In the second case, what you have to do, you apply Vg is equal to certain magnitude of the current. See, if you apply Vg, then Ig will be there. Vg is equal to VBE2. If you have VBE2, IB2 will be there. IB2 means obviously collector current will be flow through the circuit. Therefore, IC2 is equal to IB1. Obviously, base current will be there. If you have IB1, obviously the collector current will be there here. Right? Collector current. Therefore, when you apply the certain magnitude of gate voltage, then transistor Q2 and Q1 is in on state. If transistors are in on state, that can be represented by short circuit. So for short circuit, the resistance is very much low. Okay, this one we call it as an on state of SCR. Okay, so I hope you understood the working of SCR. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me later on. Thank you.